Now this is what the Khonolo, Seema and Katano Tembos combined minds have come up with. Only one change from the side that beat Chippa United. Katlego Utlarisa comes in for Tsepo Mokoena on the left-hand side. Andy Buyeli starts what will be his 18th game of the season, chasing his 7th. A lot of pressure will be on the striker to make sure that he puts pressure on the likes of Grant Kekana and Co. Now Keleto Makhalwa is arguably the jewel in the crown for Sekhukhune United. And this is how they set up alongside Ms. Brian Martin. Miguel Cardoso, he's also tweaked the side a little bit. He's seen the likes of Aubrey Mudiba coming in for Khoza. While Teboho Mokoena skippers the side in his 189th game in the PSL. He's in for Tiwani, Tapolo Morena, Grant Kekana and Lucas Suarez. Arguably in what potentially could be a back three, but always changes with Sundowns. They always got something up their sleeve. Brian Martin, what exactly is the trick that they're going to be pulling on us?
Nancy gets the chick. Gonna go tips and one put in. Great parameters and goes! Just a way to go cheaper. I got soon again goes it. Seven la panago go cheaper. Shield la painage. So like a corner kick. ASB. Mamelodi Sundowns. Tunanga Pago Suarez. Ribeiro. Yeto nga Pago Kekan. Allende. Will Pagamisa go Allende will be Bamapa. Dinage na Panago Sangare. Sundowns young nang Bugil Ayi ne Pol Bega Pants. Will Pagamisa go Will Pagamisa Adams. Nine goals! Nalituba! Nakan! Washum Gondot! Papi Abano Luams! Oh, Selpans, Bagwe. I can spell it for the guy Sundowns in Bugeli. Ayen, Yaushin Jumdado Ayen. Tolomoti, Pevim Bagomoti. Vele pologela poge Adams ophelepa ngapha uyabukela uMakhalwa Zakhali sefe emva kwakhe yina-ke lapha ke goalkeeper golwachi ngapha yakhe uMakhalwa kufuze ngabe ume ngapha goal side ukuthi ambheke lapha yena-ke uMkweni manje uyabukela yena uyabheka ukuthi ibhola bazolenza njani wenza i-forward run ke uMkweni uyalitrap ibhola Zakhali basa ngesikhathi ke phambili ngejibana ke lapha ke shaya ke cross manje ke ithuba Papa no beka irani ka Boyeli Mbukeli ne forward run ka Mtiti ne cross ka Mtiti onside Boyeli ke lapha waligethi bola ke ngekhanda wathi bona ngibulalo oTarisa Zakhala ke isafe ke February elotho ngapha elotho ngale Cross, Kamuki. Soba uze Petro ngekhanda. uTarisa walibeka phakathi ke ibhola ke elokulinganisa. Weliphakamisa kaYendi. Ekhanda wasebenza ugoalkeeper. Hey, wasebenza ngempela lapha ke uSangare madoda. Efikile ke uReynolds. Sebenza ngempela ke lapha yena ke Mbukeli. Lela beleni ethile. Likhale nethile. Sebenza ngempela ke lapha kugoalkeeper. Amathumba amaningi manje. Ngesikhathi sadala kuba khona umdlali la kuthi sibona kula sport. Kulesikhathi esiningi nje ubona ipali ivulekile. Weliphakamisa ke. Nakha! Mutu Mlungu. Suarez. Ngengasho. Nathi umbheke le bhola ke Mbukeli. Nangu uyasuka uSuarez goalkeeper kafike intini. Ngengasho ngathi ke la ku first corner kula sport. Makhona ke umdlali lapha ibhola kuyalera lapha ke. Kodwa ke enhle ke set play Mbukeli. Eyamasandawana. Shaya igoli lakhe lokuqala ke ibhola ke wase Argentina. Engqofela phakathi ngekhanda. Kumdlalo ke wakhe wesithuba. Langapha kuyangena ke ucoach uFigo. intambo phela ngaphandle ke lapha yena kuStesh ngapha kuyona ke isikhukhune United yena ku-captain ke leyo yabona manje bashiya kude madoda amibambi ibhola shede siye phambili thola ke ukekha Dave Zangwana shake phansi ke Dave Zangwana nala ke thuba Reyners wasala phansi Reyners repair no shay repair isekazini shake igole lesithathu elamasandawana again one touch two touch elesithathu through pass angazi mina bakhona offside ke lapha kodwa ke lapha ke uyadika uRebero uyalandela ke lapha ke yena empela ke uyadika uReynolds RR uyalandela ngapha ke uRebero ibhola ke libekene ethi nomkhithi ndawo uyabukela lapha kanye ejubane kuyena lapha ke mhlambe ke uRebero ukuthi amphazamise usele phansi ke ugoalkeeper zakhala ke bona ke lapha ke uRebero una 11 goals benza ke ushintsho yangena ke ubas Sales Fana ke wase Brazil venga hapa ke Matiba Shalulile Sales Dakan ay kweli incwadi manje unholy for wasalelele madoda ugoalkeeper uSangare ayi kodwa meke celebrate iquli angazi uthini ke mhlambe ngolimi lebhola eyakashalulile iyathena uSales abamhlozi down ushala lapha ke Mgundatshani zakhala ke isefo lapha ke emva kwakhe Sangare shake iquli ke lakhe elesine kuyona ke iSundowns mangikhumbula kahle lesithathu kuyona ke iBetway Premiership la lapha ke nabe uFebruary Sundowns hey nalo ke ithuba lokuphiwa ke Mataba libeka phakathi iyabuya manje emdlalweni yena ke lapha ke Keleso bemngupha ke ibhola libeka phakathi ke uKeleso United madoda yasikole isikhukhune ngalahleka amapeni sibela bhola ke lapha ke bamupha nje lapha yena ke uMakhalo yena ke lapha ke uKeleso shayiko lakhe elesine manje kuyona ke lapha ke isikhukhune United yena ke uKeleso